Anamik, and welcome to my channel Anamik TikToks, where I talk about how to make money online, and I show you various ways you can make money online and also make some extra cash. So before I start, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel because I post videos daily nowadays, and if you want more videos like this. So today I'm going to talk about how to make money easily by creating squares and various other shapes on photos. So as you can see on the screen here, it is called Square 5 app. Okay, it is some kind of application type software, and this is where the thing is, you have to you can earn money in your spare time with their free web and mobile apps. Did you understand? You have to download the apps. Okay, what are the tasks are like? We have a wide variety of tasks, and most of them focus on deriving the meaning of or providing human insight into audio, video, or image files. Look at this. You can isolate the elements like this, and you can create squares like this one, annotate images, drawing bounding boxes around various elements in an image, and describe that's where what is where in a photo. Okay, that's what you have to do. It's so simple. Like you have to let them know what you have to box it like this and create a bounding box, and then you have to tell that what is what, and this is a mountain, this is a cloud, and these are the stuff like that. It's so simple. You can provide keywords and help companies develop algorithm to learn what a photo is about. If you have a knowledge in photos and stuff like that, I think this will come in handy for you. So what are people saying around it? Okay, let us take a look at this. Okay, I think there is no music, so anyway, seems like okay. Who provides the tasks? We work with a variety of companies to help train their programs and algorithms to think and work better. Here are some of the companies there. Well, there's Microsoft, Expedia, IBM. These are the popular companies they're associated with. So now, to make money, you can just do that stuff. You have to first register for an account, and then you can start downloading the apps, and then you have to do something like this, like you can access different languages, and also by doing this you can make some money. Okay, and if you look at this section, spare5.com, and terms of surveys. Okay, they also have a referral program, payouts. Take a look at the payout section. When do I get paid? You'll get paid around 5 p.m. Friday Pacific time during the first 7-day period. There can be sometimes be a delay from time we issue the payout until you see it. That means you can get paid via PayPal. Okay, it's a PayPal easy money. So there is a minimum payout balance. You must earn at least $1 to receive a Friday payout. If your balance is under $1, then it will be carried over to the next payout period. That means they pay weekly, I guess. So you can increase this minimum payout to a higher amount. You can also set a threshold for which you can get the money. So this is cool. The highest minimum you can enter is $300. So this is the highest amount you can set in the payment threshold system. Okay, this is awesome. And it also has a referral program. That means if you refer your friends or family through this link, they'll be able to you'll earn some percentage for this. Okay, their referral program has ended, so I guess there's no way you can earn from referrals. So the only thing you have is this. You'll get paid, and that's really awesome. So I hope this video is really helpful for you. If it is, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel because I post videos daily, and I really don't guarantee that you will make money by doing this, but I think you should give it a try and see if it works for you, and that will be really awesome. Okay, and I guess this is what I wanted to talk about today, and thanks for watching, and see you again in the next video.